guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my promised full unboxing first impressions of my beautiful new 2022 Charlotte Tilbury's Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars. This is still available at many different retailer sites, so if you're curious what is inside of this beautiful advent calendar, definitely keep watching. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to a little bit of reselling and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright, so if you guys haven't checked it out already, I will link below my Sephora holiday VIB sale for this year unboxing, where I unbox this beautiful little diamond chest of beauty stars. So I did pick it up in that Sephora VIB sale, so I was able to save a little bit of money on this. I believe, at least as of today, this particular item is not currently in stock at Sephora, but I did find it at other retailers, so I'll link it down below in case you're curious and want to pick one of these up for yourself. So this is the first year I decided to splurge on this particular advent calendar. I'm not a huge beauty advent calendar person just because I feel like you get a lot of items that you don't usually use in terms of beauty advent calendars. I mean, they always come in really pretty packaging and it's fun to open up little drawers. But honestly, at the end of the day, I don't tend to use most of those little sample size products that I get in these calendars. This one though, I think will be an exception because they do tell you what's inside. So even though I have not opened this yet, I do know the gist of what I'm going to get, and I will use most, if not all, of these products. I know for sure. So I thought this would be a pretty decent investment. So let's go ahead and just jump on into this. As you all know, I'm not sponsored at all by Sephora or Charlotte Tilbury. So this is definitely something that I purchased on my own and hopefully can give you a totally unbiased review of. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so it comes in this outer container here. It's just beautiful packaging, as you can see. It says Charlotte Tilbury's Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars on the top, and then on the back it tells you all the items that you're going to get and the ingredients of them. It says Charlotte Tilbury on the sides as well. So that's how this advent calendar comes. There's a little bit of a pearlized sheen to the box as well, which is super pretty. And then let me just rip open the top here and pull out the actual calendar. Okay, so there's a little tape on the sides here. And then I will open up this actual box and pull out the calendar. So here's what the top looks like. And let's see. I will try not to mangle this or break it as much as possible. All right. Okay, well this is super pretty on first impression. I mean, look at this calendar. It's so pretty. I've seen some reviews of this calendar and have seen pictures of it online, so I knew kind of what to expect, but this is super high quality. So here's the packaging up close. So it says Charlotte Tilbury. Look at the little crystal drawers. So pretty. And then here are the sides in case you're curious. So really decked out, decorated so nicely. And then here is the top there. But I mean, amazing, just gorgeous for the packaging alone. And that's what often gets me, as you all know, is this packaging. So I'm definitely going to be repurposing this one. So let's start with the top here and show you guys that it says look and feel like a star, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this, but in the top it's just empty, but you can put little things in here. So I think, you know, little bits of makeup or jewelry, I'm definitely going to use that for. I mean, this is so gorgeous on a little vanity. You may see this on my backdrop in a little bit, there's no doubt, because it's just gorgeous. Really nice that they added that little touch there, and it's a little magnetic closure here as well. So that's a nice little piece. And then let's start with the first drawer. So the first drawer is a little star, and it pulls out, as you can see, and I think the drawers are totally removable. And it has a maroon tissue paper. So the first item here is, let's see. So this is the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. Pretty universal, it's just clear. I haven't tried this before, so I'm excited too. So here is what the packaging looks like. Just a clear brow gel. There's the branding. So yeah, I'm gonna really look forward to trying this out. I usually use brow products, but I haven't really used brow gels much, so we will see how I like this one. On to the second drawer here. And this one comes really nicely packaged, as you can see here, with extra protection. Okay, so in drawer 2, there is the Magic Serum Elixir. So another product I know I'm gonna really enjoy. I think this has gotten some pretty good reviews. So here's what this little bottle looks like. Super pretty, really nice little serum. Perfect for travel. Drawer 3 is this one here. These drawer knobs just, you know, kind of screw in. So that one was a little loose, but I just turned it to the right a little bit. It's a little moon crystal. And in this one, let's see what there is. These calendars are so fun because it's like little Christmas presents every day. Oh, this is one of the reasons why I purchased this whole set. This is the Beauty Light Wand highlighter, and this one is in Spotlight. So I have tried one of these before and I really like it. I will say that I think this is full size and these are often sold out, so I was super happy to get this in the advent calendar. So here's what this looks like, and I'm sure you've all seen this before, but it's super hard to get some of these shades. This is in the shade Spotlight, which I haven't tried yet, and it has this little sponge applicator, and you're just going to squeeze a little, which I won't yet because I'm not ready to use it, and then you just use it as a highlighter. But it's a super pretty finish, really one of their most popular products now, I will say. So yeah, excited. You get this, I think, pretty large size. It's 0.4 fluid ounces. So this is honestly one of the reasons why I wanted to purchase this advent calendar. Okay, so the fourth drawer here is a little star, and it's kind of a big one. And let's see. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. So I think it's supposed to be a little primer, but it has a little bit of a glow or illumination as well. So here's what this looks like. Really excited to try this too. I don't usually use primers, but this may be good for my, light or no makeup days. Okay, so on to the fifth drawer. It's a huge drawer, but a pretty small item. It's kind of funny, right? How big the drawer is. But this is what's inside day 5. It's the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. So love Pillow Talk line, usually in regard to lip products, as most of us know and love. I haven't tried the mascara. So here it is, beautiful rose gold packaging. So I really love these mini size mascaras because, as you all know, we're supposed to be throwing out our mascaras every 3 months. And it kills me to have a full size mascara that I do not go through in 3 months and then have to toss it. So these little mini ones are just perfect for me. So such beautiful little packaging. Excited to try this little mascara. Okay, so I think I'm on to the 6th drawer here, and it's this little guy. Let's see what this is. This is, the Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. Gorgeous packaging, as I'll show you in a second. It's a lip conditioner, lip mask. So I use lip mask every single night. I love lip oils for hydration, especially in these winter months. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I have not tried it either, so I'm excited to give it a go. So look at that packaging. It's kind of like a holographic type of a print there. Super, super pretty. Let's see how the applicator looks. So, it's a little roller ball kind of lip oil applicator, which I think will be nice. So on to day 7. So it's this little drawer here. And I will say, although this is just cardboard, the quality is excellent and the drawers slide pretty smoothly. There's a little bit of a catch just because it's cardboard, but I mean, what do you expect? So it really is a beautiful little chest here. And in this drawer, there is the Rock and Kohl liquid eye pencil. I use eyeliner pencils every single day. I love them. So I'm going to try this. I think this is probably going to be, oh yeah, it's in a brown shade, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is the Rock and Kohl eyeliner. So here is what the packaging looks like of this. And then let me show you the color. I'm not going to really swatch it because I'm not ready to use it, but I think it's a dark brown color. Really pretty. So I use these all the time. Excited to try this little guy out. All right, so the next pretty big drawer here is this. And again, big drawer, small little product. And here's what it is. This is the color Chameleon golden quartz. So I think you can use it like a little eyeshadow maybe. And probably can even use it like a little bit of a liner, I imagine too. So yeah, I think this will be another pretty one. So here is what this little color Chameleon product looks like up close. I think this is essentially a multitasker. I can see this being used on the lids as kind of a little eyeshadow in addition to a liner as well, especially maybe the lower lids I think would be really, really pretty. It's this gorgeous little shade here, and I think the shade is called Golden Quartz. So here is the shade. So really pretty. I think it's a multitasker. So I'm really looking forward to checking this out. Okay, so the next drawer here, which is a pretty big one as well. And there is a little product in it. Ooh. This is the other item besides the highlighter wand that I essentially bought this whole set for because I love these little Matte Revolution lipsticks. I own probably 3 or 4 different shades now. If you like a good matte lip, which I like on occasion, not every day, but occasionally, this is a great formulation. It is a little drying, I will say, like a lot of matte products are, but I really love this iconic line. So this is a full-size Matte Revolution lipstick. I don't have the shade. It's called Catwalking. So yeah, super excited to try this one out. It's super pretty. I mean, I love this packaging. So it has a little Charlotte Tilbury logo, and look at the rose gold. Just love it. So pretty to leave in your little makeup bag. And this is called Catwalking, as you may or may not be able to see there. But this is the shade. It's just a really pretty nude type of a shade, I think. So really, really usable just year round. Love this formulation if you like a good matte lipstick. Okay, so next up here is a little drawer. And let's see. It's a little pencil. This is the lip cheat. So this is in the shade Hot Gossip. So this lip cheat lip pencil is also pretty famous. I do own the Pillow Talk version, like a lot of you probably do. So I haven't tried this one out. I don't often use lip liners. I will be totally honest, because of convenience and time's sake, I just throw on lipstick or what I have now, just a basic little gloss. But I need to start using lip pencils more. I know it's super important to have a great line as well. So here's the packaging. It's lip cheat, and here is the shade. Ooh, this is pretty. I think this will be super neutral, go with many different shades of lip color. So this is a really nice one. It's a little mini size. I'll tuck that back in there. I have just 2 drawers left. So again, I didn't mention, but there are 12 different drawers here. Here is the second to last one, and it comes packaged really nicely. So let me just show you guys that it does enable you to pull the drawer entirely out, and they're pretty long or deep drawers, as you can see. And this one comes with this little extra insert to protect this container here. Let me pull this out and then pop the drawer back in. But even though it's cardboard, it's a heavy-duty cardboard type of a drawer. Okay, let's pull this back in. But this is their famous magic creams. This is another product that I really wanted to purchase this set for. I think it's a great value. This is the magic cream. It's 15 milliliters, so it's their moisturizer. I had little samples of this. I never bought a full version yet because I have a lot of creams I'm working through, but I'm excited to try it. I think it's such a cute little travel size. And yeah, this is one of the highlights from this entire calendar, I think. So here is the packaging, Charlotte Tilbury logo on the top. And then it is the magic cream. You can see that. And it's just a really pretty moisturizer. But I think this has gotten pretty good reviews, so I'm excited to try it out. Really nice quality jar as well. Okay, so sadly there's just one jar left. It's day 12. It's not really numbered, so I don't know if it's really supposed to be day 12, but this is the last one that I saved here. No idea what's in it, but let me pull it out. Oh, now I know what's in it because I remember when this was advertised. This is another one of the products that I absolutely wanted to try. Okay, sadly it is open, but it is not cracked. So all is not lost here, but it was cracked open a little. Not a big deal, but I'm just happy that the product is intact. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury, I will say famous, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I have a small version of this, but again, don't have anything larger than this. I do like it. I have a couple of different setting sprays that I like, but this is a good formulation. So this is another one of the highlights from this particular advent calendar, for me at least. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. Really just a clear setting spray. Pretty decent size. This is not the full size, but pretty decent size. And it is a typical little spray there. But I will definitely get good use out of this. I need flawless makeup for, gosh, 12, 15 hours a day when I go to work. So I really love using these little setting sprays. Okay guys, so let me just tuck this last one in here. And that is all. So those were the 12 days of Charlotte Tilbury and this little advent calendar. I hope you guys had fun kind of going through the different products with me and unboxing them with me as well. I honestly think this little beautiful chest is totally worth the money. Again, as you heard, there are great full-size products that are hard to get your hands on normally. And I get to try out some products I haven't tried before, but I think the value is pretty good. This would definitely be an amazing gift for any Charlotte Tilbury lover in your life. I know I would love this item if I was gifted it, so definitely check that out if you have someone who loves makeup and beauty. And of course, this box is totally repurposable. That's definitely the bonus here, is that you get this gorgeous little box for your vanity as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little advent calendar unboxing. If there are other kinds of unboxings, holiday, advent calendar types of videos that you want to see, comment down below. I definitely have tried some beauty advent calendars before, and at least for future years, I definitely be interested in checking others out. So recommend the ones you want me to check out down below, and I may just do that. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, enjoying the holiday season, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.